Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, 2024. Let's take a look at the situation at the Ethereum to Tether at Zondacrypto. I'm using daily candlesticks and this is of course the major swing to the downside that we are looking at. What is very interesting in this recent development to the downside towards the new lows at 2,879 tethers is that the situation here is complicated because we broke below this low from the March 5th 2024 located at 3,000 tethers. So we got the new swing low as the market progressed to the downside. Now there is a very specific situation here on this last swing down. Let me just break it down for you because it might look very interesting. So what do we need is the 1 2 3 4 5 impulsive wave by the Elliott according to the Elliott wave theory. So from this swing high at 3,718 we got first wave down, second wave to the upside as a correction, third wave to the downside, wave 4 which is right now in progress and has not been completed yet, and now we are waiting for the wave 5. Now why do I see this pattern here? Let me just remove the line so we can see it clearly. Why do I see this pattern here is because as you can see there is distinct pattern made here, and let me just show it to you right now. What do we see here is some sort of the triangle pattern. So we got this sketch of the triangle which might look like this, and we need to complete this triangle. So A, B, C, D, E inside subwaves must be done in the wave 4, and then we can see the breakdown to the downside. Okay, so let me just get my, let's say, arrow, and the arrow will show us the direction to the downside. This is not the target level, this is just the direction. So it looks like we got downside breakdown, breakout to the downside, the downside cycle here. So that's the wave A. That's some sort of the wave B in 3 waves, A, B, and C to the upside. So we got the major wave B here, 1 2 3 4 5 to the downside, wave C, irregular flat correction to the downside on the Ethereum. This is a textbook example of this kind of a movement, so please be prepared for the completion of the triangle, termination of this triangle, and then breakout to the downside. If we adjust one more indicator here, RSI, okay, if we just take a look at this, we can see that the bears are in charge of this market. We are now testing the level of 40 again. The market is weak, the momentum is weak, the market is weak, bears are in charge of this market. There is still room to the downside here. There is definitely room to the downside here. Please notice last thing, this correction here, this internal correction, doesn't have to be triangle, it can be any correction here. Nevertheless, it's still a correction, and we expect one more wave to the downside, breaking the low of the wave 3, which is at 2,879. Okay, but because of the current situation on the market, it looks like the wave 4 here is a triangle actually. So when the triangle is completed, downside movement should be done, and then the big upper cycle correction, ABC correction. So from the highs, this is the wave A, this is the wave B, and we are looking now for the wave C to be completed, right? So this is a completely different cycle. Okay, this is the major cycle. Okay, ABC inside of this circle. So we are just waiting for last push, wave 5, wave C to complete, and then market is ready to continue the uptrend. It's ready to reversal, and new highs might be done in the coming days, weeks and months. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.